Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and just look at this lovely Castell ISO-LOK. A little lotto lock or lockout lock made of all brass body, brass shackle, and I collect all brass and bronze locks just because they're a bit rare, and they do look really nice with that all brass or bronze body. This is the bitting for this little 5-pin lock, and just look at the bitting, that is so extreme. But the keyway is quite wide, and I would always say if you've got wide open keyway that isn't paracentric like this, then you should go in with a deeper or medium hook to begin with anyway. So even if you did have bitting like this, you shouldn't necessarily come unstuck. So yeah, lovely little lock. So on to picking it then. We will need some, well, I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension because I can pick it in my hand like that. Get that nice and comfortable in. And like I said, a medium hook, something like a Peterson gem, that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to go in and get comfy and see what we can feel. So get the tension just right. Okay, good. Pin 3 there. Pin 2 a little bit. Nothing on 5. Oh, into a false set now. Is that pin 4? I think it was. There we go, set it now, and pin 2. And just feel that going up. And we are open. There we go, so not massively secure, but it isn't really meant to be. And just to show you what I mean about the key or the bitting and say different hooks, you can see that if I use this short hook here and I was trying to set pin 4, it's likely I'll probably end up oversetting pin 1, maybe even pin 3. If I'm using a medium hook like this, I've got much less chance of accidentally oversetting pin 1, even if I'm picking pin 2 with it and my pick is relatively level. So yeah, it definitely pays for using a medium or deep hook in locks with wider open keyways, like if I can get to focus, this one. Okay, so that is the lovely all brass Castell ISO-LOK. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all next time.